Hi, hello again. So we are still on the lot plotting series. Now this time, let's plot our lot using Microsoft Excel, or in my case, I'm using Google Sheets. So this is a quicker and faster way to do it. Now, to start, let's open up our technical description. I'm just zooming in on it. And let's open up our Excel file again. Okay, that will do. Google Sheets rather. Now make a similar table like mine. So this can be in any order. I just like to do it this way. So you have your line or your points, your NS for north and south, and then your degree. You have your minutes, east and west, and then distance. All these values are taken from the same technical description that we've been using. Now, here's the critical part. Under formula, we are using the concatenate function. So just be very extra careful with the order and the symbols used. So you might want to take a screenshot for this part. Now let's do it. Type in your equal sign and then just type in concatenate. Oh, con. Okay, there it is. Concatenate. Okay, there it is. So it appends strings to one another. Now we want to use that. And then that's when you start typing in or clicking on the cells that you need. So in my case, I need the distance first, and then it's going to be followed by a comma, and then followed by the angle. So open, close parenthesis, and then the angle. There you go. So on and so forth. So you just have to be very careful with putting in the formula. Again, that's the formula. This might be different in Microsoft Excel because I'm again using Google Sheets. Now, once you're done with this, just click on the drag down part. Just drag it down. And then here's where the magic happens. Just copy all the numbers, all the formula, Control C, and you want to go to your CAD file. So let's start by making a polyline. You can click anywhere. So let's click here and onto your command line, Control V. So you're pasting all of the points. Oh, wait, give me a second. Let's try that again. Okay, what did I do wrong? Okay, let's do that again. Highlight, Control C, PL for polyline. Click here and click somewhere here on the command line, Control V. And then that's it. See? That's exactly the same lot that we've been doing. Click on close. Enter. There you go. So that was really quick. That's it. That simple, that easy. Now let's do it again. So that's Control C. Type PL again for polyline. Click somewhere here. And let's just overlay it. Okay. And then go to your command line, Control V to place the values. Click here, or you can right click and then close. That's it. Wow, that was so fast. Okay, so that ends my video for today. I just inserted this because it's still related to the lot plotting series. This will then be followed by the layout. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, just throw them in the comment section. Thank you.